So today I get to show you a home in Southwest Austin. It's in the heart of Dripping Springs, has an Austin address, but gives you access to the Dripping Springs ISD school. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent, so you'll be one of the first people to see this home before it hits the market. As you enter the home, you'll be greeted with porcelain wood floors. Also an interior open floor plan that allows you to flow from room to room, perfect for entertaining or everyday living. This home offers not one, but two living areas, allowing you the flexibility to utilize the extra space however fits your family's needs. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, ample counter space, and a layout that allows you to be part of the conversation while cooking in the kitchen. Picture yourself enjoying this backyard. This large covered patio allowing you to entertain or host family gatherings, overlooking the spacious backyard. And let me tell you, when it comes to outdoor spaces, size does matter. And you can make this backyard to whatever suits your needs. The primary suite offers you a place to relax, to rejuvenate, as well as retreat to this luxurious bathroom with a Euro shower, dual vanities. If you're looking for a quiet workspace, the dining area was converted to a functional, dedicated office with beautiful barn doors for privacy. If you have questions about this home or similar homes in the area, please call, email me, or text me. I'd love to help. I'm here to be a resource to you, provide you with personalized insights, and to help you in your real estate journey. If y'all could please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button or give me a thumbs up. That simple gesture will encourage me to make more videos for y'all. I'm Kathleen Magat, your Austin real estate agent. Until next time.